Hi, I'm Nikki, and thank you for choosing to watch my video on how to add shine to your doodle artwork. It's something I'm often asked about, so I hope you'll find this helpful. There are a few different ways you can make your artwork look shiny, and I'll show you these in this video. In all cases, I use a darker shade of the base colour to create a shadow along one edge. This immediately gives a 3D effect. In my sunflower doodle here, I use a looped end in one continuous line, then colour in the loop at the end. This makes the stone look like it has a high shine. In this pebble wave piece, I wanted to have a more delicate feel, so I used a finer white gel pen and light lines, as you can see here. For this bright and colourful flower doodle, I wanted a more defined shape to each piece. When adding the highlights, I've added broken lines here and dots to give a very shiny feel. In this brick wall doodle, I've kept the shading quite uniform and then added a fine highlight along both the top right corner and a tiny additional highlight in the bottom corner. I hope this video has helped you today. You can see in the information all the pens I use in these artworks. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and check out my other tutorials and subscribe to my channel for more soon.